For those of you who are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell symbol to get notified of my new video uploads. Hey baby, give me some love.
Get your hand off of me. You cheated on me with that heifer YZ.
What?
I'm in some little town in Ohio somewhere. I have no idea where I am. I just went out and got lost somewhere. I had to bring the Aprilia out though. Look at that. Does she look pretty? Look at that, baby. Yeah. Looking proper. Fast. Tell you guys, I really appreciate this bike, man. I love this bike. But I'm going to tell you why I sold my CBR1000rr and my WR250R, and why this is on the seller's block too.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
This is an absolutely amazing bike. Right now I'm connecting the tether to my airbag vest to help keep me safe out here, guys. This is the best thing you can do if you ride a motorcycle, guys. Because this thing, if you get thrown from the bike, it inflates and it protects your neck. It's got a back protector. It protects all your vital organs and everything. Help keep you safe, man. Definitely worth the money. I got this ultralight helmet that's carbon fiber with mirror shield, gloves, leather pants. All my gear, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. This bike is so much sicker with the aftermarket exhaust though. It just is way too quiet, man. Stop. But $2,000 for a slip-on, that's crazy, man. That should be a full exhaust for a $2,000. $3,000 for a full exhaust. That's crazy. All right. But yeah, I tell you guys, it's been a while since I've been on this bike, man. Oh, this bike is really fun. I forgot how fun it was because it's been a while. And absolutely amazing bike. But I'll tell you, you know, I had to get rid of the CBR1000rr sooner or later. You know what I'm saying? You can't, you know, I'm not the sentimental type that will keep something forever. Like I did a video not too long, I was telling you about, we like to say that you're going to keep a bike forever because we like to, you know, it's like when you meet a woman or a significant other and you say we're going to be together forever. And generally that's just wishful thinking most of the time. But I had to sell this. I had to sell the CBR1000rr. Dude, I've done over 1,400 videos, and that bike is in the bulk of them, man. I've had that bike for over 5 years, and I think that bike was just I think the CBR even got tired of being in videos.
Hey baby, give me some love.
Get your hand off of me. You cheated on me with that heifer YZ.
What? Yeah, I cheated on you with YZ, and I'm not married to you. And you know what? I also cheated on you with WR250R, so how you likes that?
Oh, hell no. I'm out of here.
Well, you know what? You could just take your orange Repsol fruity self up on out of here if you don't like it.
Ew, you stink, fool.
It's just, I covered everything that can be covered on the CBR. There's nothing else besides taking it to the track, which I have yet to go to the track. But I've covered everything on that bike. And an absolutely amazing bike. But there's nothing else I could do besides enjoy riding it, which I absolutely loved riding it. But there's so many new sick bikes that are coming out that I want to try, and I don't have enough room in the garage to put a whole bunch of different bikes, you know. Maybe in the future, but now I don't. You know, I want to reduce my bikes down to 2 bikes because I'm tired of shuffling bikes around every time I want to go riding, man. You know, 2 bikes, one for dirt and the Supermoto, you know, with my YZ, and then the super bike. That's it. That's all I need. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a cruiser. I may add a 3rd one. I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, since coming from the Ducati X Diavolo, it's tough to go to any other cruiser because there's nothing else even close to being as good as the X Diavolo. Even that new Rocket 3, it's got a ton of torque, but it's got over 140 extra pounds on that, the X Diavolo, man. So, but yeah, it was time to go, man. But it went to an absolutely awesome owner. But the WR250R, I had that bike for over 4 years. That bike, I sold it. It's just waiting for the owner to pay and come and pick it up, but he did give a deposit on it, so it's pretty much sold. And I have a bunch of backup buyers even if that falls through. Like, I got a lot of a lot of emails on that bike, man. A lot of you guys want to get that bike, and it's a sick bike. But I tell you, you know, like a lot of you guys said, you know, once you go to the 450, you know, it's hard to go back to the 250. But also, you know, with the YZ450FX that I have, which I did a full build series on, you might want to go, I'll include that video build series link in the description and comment section of the video. It's a 2019, but what's absolutely amazing with that bike, it's super lightweight and it's night and day more power on it. It's crazy. But of course it has a ton more maintenance, but I don't ride it that much. I only have like 22 hours after a year. You know what I'm saying? Because I had a bunch of different bikes. You know, I had 4 bikes, and also I only can ride like 100, 200 miles a week. You know, and we only can ride like 6 months out of the year here in Ohio because we have winter time. You know, so and I ride in the winter, but very not often. I'm lucky to get in maybe a couple days a month at the most, and not riding for very long because it's super cold outside. But yeah, the WR250R, amazing bike. But I wanted to do the Trans-American Trail on that bike. That's not going to happen anytime soon, man, because right now I'm taking care of a relative and helping and running a business full-time, so it's really tough, guys. It just made sense to sell the WR250R because I wasn't riding it, dude. Every time I want to jump on, you know, the dual sport, I jumped on the YZ. Another thing that's really awesome about that 2019 YZ 450FX that I have is that you can tune the engine characteristics on your smartphone. It has maps on there, and you can make your own custom map. There's a map where it's really torquey down low. There's a map where there's more power up top. I mean, you can really play around with it. I haven't done that yet because the 2 maps on the bike are absolutely amazing. It has the first map is the aggressive map, and then the second map subdues the power a bit when you head into the woods. And honestly, I haven't felt the need to mess around with any other maps, so that's why I haven't really done anything with that. But I should try it out and so give a review on it for you guys. But oh boy, woo, that V4 power, baby, feels good. Yeah, went to a good home, went to a fellow WR250R enthusiast who actually has a WR250R. He kind of beat on that bike and he wanted to add a newer one, which mine's like new still almost, only has like 2,000 miles and over $6,000 in mods on my bike, man. So he's getting a sick deal. Yeah, of course I'm selling it at a loss, but that's okay. As long as it's going to a fellow WR250R enthusiast who'll take care of the bike. But sick bike, guys. Absolute WR250R is absolutely sick bike. And if you want to see all the mods I did on it, the build videos I've done on it, if you go to my website CycleCruza.com and you click on the menu tab My Videos, I have a WR250R playlist along with playlists to all my other bikes as well. So go check that out. But you know, it's just time, guys. You know, like said, all good things come to an end, and it's time for something fresh and new to have fun on and share the content on my channel. Honestly, if I didn't have the channel, I probably would have a bike still. But with my channel, I just want to try new stuff and share the experience with you guys. That's what it's all about, man. You never know how long you can ride for. You never know how long you're going to be here on Earth, man. So ride as many bikes as you can and have fun. Stay safe out here, guys. Oh, yeah. Woo! Good times, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my All in One Motorcycle channel, and make sure to hit the bell so that you get notified of all my new video uploads. Until next time, deuces.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.